I am Ivan Segon I've been working here for the past 2 years. We have raised our issues a number of times to the administration, and so far the communication is not quite clear. We are not getting a clear way forward. Because if you told us we are going to get our money in a month or 2 months or 3 months, it could be better. But we are not getting any clear communication on what you are expecting, what you are waiting for. Most of these people are parents, as you can see. We cannot afford to take our kids back to school. We cannot afford to eat anymore. Some have terminal diseases, they have to be taking medications, but they still can't afford that because of the stress strain. So, our request though to our chairman, if he wanted to, he would already have paid our salaries. So as of the moment, there's no work that is going to go until all salaries have been paid. Complete salaries. 1 month, not 2 months, have been paid. And also, to our leaders around the county, we are requesting you. You have this hospital has been here for quite some time in this hospital. If it's possible, they could push their hand and help us. We also have our leader who is William. He knows, I bet he knows what is going on in Mediheal Hospital, Nakuru, and the whole of Mediheal Group Hospital. So, we are requesting, if he has a hand in this or not, he should help us. He should come through for us. Because everybody here, almost everybody, will be going at a loss because of political reasons and other business decisions that are being made at the moment.
Kwa majina naitwa Boniface Biwot. It's been 4 months bila salary na tumekuwa tukikuja kazi. So most of us, wengine wetu tumefungiwa nyumba. Tulienda Christmas without money na ilikuwa sherehe kubwa sana. Ndio tumeruka mwaka tena kwa pesa. Ndio shule inafunguliwa, tuko na watoto wa kuwalipia fees waende shule. Yes. That is why tuko hapa leo. Tunamuitisha tu atupe pesa yetu sababu tuko na bills mingi huko nje. Kama ni madeni imekuwa mingi sana. Watu wanatu download hata hawezi sikia mambo yetu tena currently. Tulikuwa tuna vizuri, but for the last 4 months imekuwa tu promises. Tumekuwa tukiambiwa pesa inakuja na hiyo pesa tumengoja for.
Okay, so my name is Luke. I am a nurse. I've been working with Mediheal for 3 years. My simple question to the employer, the owner of this hospital, is when we had a good business, like he has been here for 10 years in Kenya. I was working hard. Yes. I was taking care of patients. Who takes care of me in such a situation like I am today? That means that dedicated. I've been doing my answer our questions. That is the audience we want to seek, even to the government. Who takes care of the medics when they have nothing else to do? We have been working for 4 months, no salary, nothing. Communication comes in Zoom meeting, tells us the money is coming from California and stuff like that. But what about now? We are going to the 5th month. Hakuna mtu anatuongelesha, there is nothing.
My name is Jane Wanchiko. I've been a staff here in Mediheal for the past 4 years. Watoto ndio tunatoka waende shule. We don't have money. Some of us, they are sleeping in the hospital because they don't have somewhere to sleep. The houses has been shut down. So we need our prayers and our request to be heard so that the employee can pay us our money.
Now aikari abogete gukuni imenti ya Muhuro county ni ya Miiro ni magitetetie kana ni